Assalamualaikum everyone. So in this video, I want to present my product that I've made. And before that, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Hanif bin Ahmad Lutfi, and my matric number is 08DPB21F1050. And lastly is my lecturer, who is Madam Nuzahila binti Rapal. So my product is called Smart Glass Multimeter, and it is 100% new, made by us. First, I would like to introduce the company. This company is called Shelby Limited Company and has been run since 2020. So, who is in our management team? So, the founder of this company is Mr. Muhammad Afnan Hanif bin Ahmad Lutfi. Under the management team, we have Siti Nur Aliana binti Ramli as the operation manager, the ones who make sure all customer orders are filled on schedule. Next, we have Muhammad Alif bin Ishaq as the marketing manager, who manages to promote the products to reach out to prospects. And lastly is Nurul Shahira binti Rosli as finance manager, who manages the funds and the plans for the expenditure of funds on various assets. So our product name is called Smart Glass Multimeter, and it is 100% new, made by us. Because before this, many people use the conventional multimeter, which is not quite safe to use. As you guys can see on the top left, there is a picture of our product. On this slide, I will talk about the function, features and characteristics. The primary function of this Smart Glass Multimeter is to estimate readings inside a live electrical board, while the secondary function is to detect a current leakage. So, what are the features that we have on our Smart Glass Multimeter? Firstly, this system has a lightweight smart glass, which is easy to handle, and the portability of this framework has been improved. The characteristics are that the material is made from plastic, and it comes in two colors, black and white. The display that we are using to show the voltage is an OLED display. So, the weight of this smart glass is around 650 grams, and the people who buy our products will get a case for the smart glass that is made from carbon fiber and a 1-year warranty. So, the price for our smart glass is just below 150 ringgit. After this, there is a video showing how the smart glasses works. I hope you guys understand how these smart glasses work. So now, I would like to talk about the benefits. The first benefit is that it is easy to carry because of the size compared to the conventional multimeter. The second benefit is that the chances of getting an electric shock are low because there is no touching the wire, because on our product, the reading will show up on the OLED display. Lastly, the accuracy of current reading has been improved because of our new system that has been developed. So now, I would like to explain the function of each component in the smart glass. So, the first component is the OLED display. OLED, or Organic Light Emitting Diodes, is a level light transmitting development made by putting the movement of common light motions pictures between two conductors. A splendid light is radiated at the point where electrical flow is applied. OLEDs are immersive showcases that do require any backdrop illumination, as they are more slender and more effective than LCD displays. OLED shows are not simply slim and productive, they give the best picture quality ever, and they can likewise be made transparent, adaptable, foldable, and even rollable and stretchable. The next component is the Arduino Micro Pro. The Arduino Micro is a microcontroller board dependent on the ATmega32U4, which creates related pins, a 16 MHz crystal oscillator, a micro USB connection, an IC/SP header, and a reset button. It contains everything expected to help the microcontroller. Essentially, associate it with a PC with a USB cable to begin. It has a structure factor that enables it to be effectively put on a breadboard. The micro is like the Arduino Leonardo in that the ATmega32U4 has worked in USB correspondent, taking out the requirement for a secondary processor. This enables the micro to appear on associated PC as a mouse and keyboard. Next is the SPI bus, sequentially peripheral interface. That is the meaning of SPI. It is an interface bus commonly used to send data among microcontrollers and little peripherals, for example, shift registers, sensors. Lastly is the HC05 Bluetooth module. As a result, the HC05 module is a simple Bluetooth SPP, that is serial port protocol module intended for simple remote sequential association arrangement. The HC05 Bluetooth module can be utilized in a master or slave arrangement, making it an extraordinary answer for wireless communication. In the previous year, assessing of the electrical parameters like voltage and current has been examined. There are a number of issues like accuracy and all others. Assessing a high AC voltage by utilizing conventional multimeter is risky as it could incite authentic accidents. So, how can we solve the problem? A smart glass with the goal that user can see readings, and while using these glasses, user don't have to look at DMM appear since readings will be appeared on smart glasses. Here we have used LiPo battery for power supply to microcontroller. OLED display is used for indicating the voltage value that we measure. This OLED display is interfaced to controller using SPI. With the help of Bluetooth, it is possible to make this glass wireless so that measure voltage or current will appear on OLED display. So, there are fewer chances of getting hurt. As for the conclusion, this smart glass accurately estimates the electrical parameters. This system has a great deal of information on various things. This system gives information about programming software like Pro Tools, Vision, and numerous things. By performing this task, numerous progressions are seen during voltage or current estimation. Because it is extremely difficult but fascinating to measure electrical parameters using samples and display the values on your specs or glasses. In the future, the quantity of parameters like frequency, resistance, HFE, etc. can be increased. The range of estimating parameters out to be increased. Noise, which is present in OLED, out to be diminished.